Monday, February 12th, 2024. I'm on the 5-minute 6EH2024 Euro FX future. Same as Euro USD apparently. Excuse me. So what I looked at this yesterday's analysis showed that I predicted price would take out Sunday, Sunday high. The high that was made, New Asia high, that was made after the 1800 start and then come down to equilibrium of Friday's range, high, low, or of this particular range. And that's my arrow. So this morning when I got up, price was here before the 220 macro. I saw that price had already traded down into this volume imbalance here, and fair value gap respected it, went up, took out these small equal highs, and continued a little higher. Now at 220, I wanted price to come up and take out the highs. I didn't think it would come all the way up here. I was actually just looking for, these highs to be taken. And I wanted to see a continuation, 220 macros. So the macros should show a liquidity sweep and a reversal continuation. And it didn't do that. So I highlighted this fair value gap, the bearish fair value gap in here, to see if price was going to disrespect it with this 240 candle. It didn't. Continue going up, and it actually took out the high. I was shocked, which is good for me because I need to learn how to spot these moves in real time, because I'm good at after, but during I miss it. So I notice, it's following my arrow. Let me see now, what is it going to do? So it happened right before the 3 o'clock silver bullet, which is here. YSL time, 3 a.m. silver bullet. That's my number one. 2, the liquidity sweep happened. 3, price came back and closed within the range with that 3 o'clock candle. Beautiful. 4, I watched to see if price was going to come down and make this market structure shift here. I'm taking out this 240 low. It did. Created a breaker. High, low, higher high, lower low. These breakers. And a fair value gap for price to trade back up into. So, and this is equilibrium. Price was going to head. So what I was going to do, or what I wanted to do, but it does not allow that in bar replay. But I was going to wait for price to come back and hit actually the low of the breaker, because according to Hydra, you should enter when price hits the low of the breaker for bearish, for sells, and the high of the breaker for buys. So I was watching price to come back into this purple box, just hit it, and then I would hit the sell button to target 2 to 1 or the equilibrium. So that's why I looked at this as a sell. 1, the time, 3 a.m. 2, the liquidity sweep. 3, came back, closed within the range. 4, market structure shift occurred. 5, a breaker and a fair value gap formed. 6, equilibrium for these lows here, because it already took out the highs up here. So, but as we can see, price left. It never did double back. Let's watch a little. No, and it hit my target. So that's it for me. That trade potential is gone because I target hit. That was my target. So it's a no-go. But it didn't come back for me anyway. But I mean, even if it does trade back into, I'm going to be a little skeptical because it already hit equilibrium of that range. So yes, I just wanted to make this quick recording so I could cement this into my mind.